Welcome back to Microtec TV. I'm Fanny. Now we are going to introduce you our A4 hobby heat press machine, which is one of the most popular small size machine in our company. It is manual type and clamshell. The heat platen size is A4 format, so it's very easy to carry. And this is digital controller, which can control the temperature and the time. The knob can adjust the pressure according to the different material we press. And it has a wide range of application. It can press phone case, kitchen, MDF board, coaster, and rubber mouse pad. And what's more, we have 2-year warranty for the whole machine, so you can rest assured of our quality.